Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Man, we got another one. This is a 2010 Chevy Camaro SS for sale. It's for sale, y'all. I'm thinking about 10,000. I think that's a good deal to sell it for. No, I don't have the factory rims, but I'm pretty sure you can find the factory rims pretty cheap, for like $200 to $400 online. People sell them all day. But man, look at him. And the inside looking good. Seat little that, but put that back together. It's nothing major. Start it up. Sounds good. And you can message me, Lucky's Wheels and Deals, on IG, Instagram. Hit me up on there if y'all got an offer, or if y'all guys interested in buying it. If you're really serious, hit me up on IG, Lucky's Wheels and Deals, or message me, Lucky Luciano, on Facebook. Man, it's looking right. Looking good. Let's pop the hood. Sounds good. They got the can in and drop box air filter in there. Sounds good. Got plenty of power. Man. Let me rev it up for y'all. Sounds pretty good. Close this hood. Oh, let's see the trunk. Show y'all the trunk. Ain't nothing special. It's pretty clean in there. It's pretty clean in there. Ain't nothing too special. It's a little small trunk. .2 liter. Got that big boy. All the gauges work. All that. And just so let's go for a ride, man. Safety first. What it do? Thing is fun, really fun to drive. Slow down, man. There's a lot of police riding around here, right? But yeah, man, like I said, man, y'all hit me up on IG if y'all want to buy the car. only if you're serious, man. Don't waste my time. I don't got time like that. I'm taking only serious offers. I'm asking 10,000, which I think is pretty good. I haven't seen one no cheaper than that, or at 10,000. That's a SS. You know what I mean? So, I can't even get down through there. People want to ride bikes like they a car. Trying to get down. I'm trying to get down through there, man. What's up? I'm trying to hit it for y'all. I'm trying to hit it for y'all, man. Well, yeah, man. This is a quick, simple little video. So yeah, the Camaro SS is for sale. Y'all, like I said, message me. You be serious. I mean, y'all comment below. Y'all don't got IG, y'all comment below. Give me offers, what y'all pay for it. Y'all think it's worth it. I'm only selling it because I got the blue, aqua blue Camaro SS. If not, I would keep this car. I'm not, you know what I mean? Like, ain't nothing wrong with it. Runs and drives great. Has no problems with it. Actually, I think it might run harder than my Camaro, my blue one. You know what I mean? You know, they got different type of exhaust. When people do too much with the exhaust, man, it kind of mess up the back pressure, the flow of the car. So, yeah. They always trying to race me in this car, man. Like I said, man, this car is no punk. Runs and drives great. Man, I'm about to end this video, man. Shout out to the whole Lucky Nation, man. Thanks for the support. Love y'all, man. Real talk. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wilson Dills, and I'm out. Yay!